Alright, it's maintenance time. Fram junk down there. Usually don't like to run them, but I took this thing to get the oil change yesterday. Oh well. It was due for it anyway. My wipers are acting up on this thing. They have actually for the last couple of years. Hit the switch, you know, like the intermittent, and they just come on full speed and don't want to turn off. So, lucky for me, I have a brother who used to work for a GM dealership. At a very, very reasonable cost, and I won't say how much. He was able to obtain for me a new control board for the wiper circuits. I'm attempting to unwrap it without destroying it here. It's usually me and electronics don't get along very well. So here's the control board. Destroy it by dropping it or something. So I've got a brand new cover plate. Here's what we're doing here. We got 3 screws, 4 screws looks like. 3. That one doesn't have one in it. This looks like 2 on the end, 1 in the middle. That's exactly what it is here. 2 on both sides, 1 in the middle. Instructions. Yada yada yada. Who needs instructions, right? That is 1 screw in there. I don't know if there's supposed to be more. Oh, there's the other 2. And black RTV silicone sealant. Oh crap. Yeah. Jeez. Can't get rid of that goober.
Did you ever turn that thing off?
No. Okie dokie. Shut this off for a second. And go find the fitting I need. So, bye bye. Hey, shut up! I'm doing a video. Jeez. Oh crap. It's Al Gore, everybody. Jeez. He's even circling. Crap. Can't do anything to these things without somebody pissing and moaning about them. Alrighty. Cover's off. Yay! Oh, look at all the dirt. No wonder this thing was frigged. Wow. Did this originally come in the kit, or was this something that I had?
Yeah, it comes in the kit.
Okay, so it's just sealed. That's what I saw in the instructions, but... So we need to undo the clip here, which...
Pull it straight out. This one.
Sure. Come on there, GM mechanic. Yeah,
A little doohickey in there that makes it really hard to get out sometimes.
Right, yeah, sure it does. You break it, you owe me a brand new truck, this vintage, because I don't want the new junk.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I got nothing here. See, look, now he's coming back. Holy frig, people. Well, maybe he's circling somebody else.
You're looking for me.
What were you doing? 110 up the pass or something?
Heck yeah, even though my truck
Limited at 98 or whatever?
86.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah. Can't even have fun in it. These are really stupid. I usually just end up breaking them off.
You have a replacement? I really need to.
Yeah, it's just
There's lots of stuff broken on this truck.
it's still halfway good.
Oh, good. I can keep the originality. So, let's see here.
I gotta lift up the little tab.
Lift up the little tab or break it off like that.
Break it off.
Yeah. Well, you know, this thing fried in the California sun for a few years, so she's a little crispy in spots. Supposed to just slide out, or does this have to come off?
No. Just kind of.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh.
See how worn those contacts are?
Oh, yeah. Yep. That's where the issue was. Where's that contact inside there? Just on the
Still working.
roundabout. Yeah. Well, it works. I just occasionally it would, for real, frig out on me. Do I need to re-grease that at all?
The rest of it's all good.
Yep. Zoom in, zoom out.
There you go, put the rest in.
Okay. Set this right here so everybody can watch me frig it up. Real good times here. Of course, you gave me this, what, like 3-4 years ago now?
Yeah. It's probably bad too.
Yeah, I'm sure it is.
The grease is just like cooked on there.
All the little son of the bitches are looking okay, it looks like, so. Something ain't lining up quite right.
It's gonna be spring loaded.
Is it?
Because the
Oh,
contacts.
the contacts, right. We got these little guys down in the corner here that are supposed to sit in, and it's not sitting right. And it goes in one way. There we go. I guess that'll work.
Just make sure that tab's lining up in there.
Good enough. It's off a little bit, but there we go. I just cracked it, so it'll be fine.
Alright.
Camera's rolling, so we got it all on the. I hope that's gonna hold.
Yeah.
It should. It's got the rubber seal in there. Yeah.
You gotta grease up your,
If this stuff's any good still.
yeah,
It's been opened.
what is it? What'd I do, give you a used one?
Probably. No, you, yeah. Still squishy. Yes, I said squishy. What do I want? Let's try this one.
Just cut off the corner.
That's probably going to be the best bet, because this is...
Yeah, I don't try to hold.
Yeah, I'm just going to use it once and toss it. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Oh, there it is. Come on, focus, focus. Yeah. Whew, smells like silicone. No, not the booby kind. I guess I said that on YouTube.
Booby kind of silicone?
You can see that's the breast implants. You see, get it. So, just around the inside here?
Yeah.
Is that what we're aiming for? See, just around the inside here, people. My mechanic said so. Oh, this is good stuff. Just getting a nice face surface seal in there. Just get her all wrapped around, and I'm not showing you, but that's what we're aiming for. You can kind of see it's got a little ways to go. So how's our trailer?
It's there.
Okay. Good, good, good.
Yeah.
Just a little more in there, right there. That should work. Yay! And just gently, ever so gently, smack it into place. All right. Let's not snug them down just quite yet. Get in there. Getting past all the vacuum and electrical off the brake booster. I know he's saying something, but I can't hear him over there. this one in. That's snug. That's now snug. And that one's snug. Yay!
Nate, hope it works.
All right, hold the camera. You're gonna be able to see under there. You want to watch the wipers from this side?
Oh, I got a wiper.
Okay.
I want to see it when it catches on fire.
I am misting.
Oh, look at that.
Hey, it stopped. Intermittent.
Oh, look at that action.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's American wiper blades right there, people.
Yes, sir.
Let's go for high speed. Ready? Turbo power. That's weak.
Oh, yeah.
Yay. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. I got any new wiper blades.
Looks like it.
Doesn't wipe as much
What do you mean?
when I hit the thing. It used to go like 5 or 6 times.
No, it didn't.
Yeah.
It's an update.
Oh, cool. All right, truck's fixed.
There we go. You never
Now I got the hard part done. You can do the rear main seal. Okay, bye-bye. Hi, little guy. What's going on, buddy? Yeah. Are you cold? Huh, little cold little bumblebee? Little wasp, huh? Go freeze your little stripes off? Okay, bye-bye. Where's the button? Yeah, I didn't get any footage of it, but tow hooks. Yeah, looks like spider fangs. Yeah, I'm gonna call this the Red Widow. No, I'm kidding. So there's the brackets, tow hooks. I had to replace these 2 bolts because this whole thing's been crunched on this corner at one time, so things are bent and out of whack. And here's the other side. Nice clean installation here. So yeah, not really impressed with these hooks, but you know what? What do you expect for 70 bucks? Normally like 89. Have to invest in some good heavy duty straps sometime here shortly. Maybe next weekend when it's warmer. It's like 42 out here right now. We'll get to working on the rear. Not going to do anything on the Ford today because again it's like 42 out here. I'm stinking cold and I'm going to go inside and warm up.
Your air compressor sucks.
Yeah, the air compressor's all frigged over big time. The switch is shot, won't turn off, so the pop-off valve keeps lighting off. So now I gotta go buy a new switch. Yeah. I hope that fixes it. Pile of crap.
Find another one on Craigslist.
Scavenge it. Maybe I'll get the big tall tank, like an 85,000 gallon tank or something. Oh yeah, no music on YouTube. So don't listen, people, don't listen to the music on YouTube. La la la, you can't hear the music. So, anywho. Tow hooks, wiper blade, thingamajig for the other truck, and that's about enough. I'm going home. Bye-bye.